So there's this software called Emote Lab that allows you to create emotes and animate them very quickly. I saw a bunch of videos about it on Twitter, so I had to buy it and actually try it. It cost something like 10 bucks. And what you're about to see is basically me trying it out for the first time live in front of my Twitch audience and the results basically in less than an hour to having a brand new animated emote up that looks a little bit like me. You be the judge. All right, so this is the Emote Lab I've been seeing on Twitter, and we're gonna do like a quick overview to see if it's intuitive. I haven't seen any tutorials. I haven't seen anything to give me any extra information in advance or anything. So yeah, my first experience with Emote Lab maybe will be similar to yours. So let's get going. So the whole goal of this software, which you can buy from Steam, this is where I got it from and where I opened it from, is that you can make animated emotes. And here I can see that I have 2 different assets. So it loads it in and then you can customize it. Wow, pretty cool. Okay, at the bottom here, we see character. Oh. This is already great. All right, let's do this. Browse. Oh, okay. There's some stuff that you can activate and you can also turn off. What happens if I turn it off? Well, okay, it resets if, it resets when you turn it off. Okay, so if you make changes that you don't like and you want to go back to default, you just click on that little thing right there. Let's quickly do this. Of course, I'm trying to make a character that looks like me, so we're going to be looking for skin tone or something. I don't know how that works. So we have choose parts, color. There's a color bucket tool here. Okay. And then there's a list. So we're gonna scroll down until we see something that resembles skin tone or something. Well, if it's gonna be S, it's probably gonna be down here. Oh, there it is. All right. And then we can go back to actually customizing everything. And under that list, it seems like you can switch like the type of brows, basically the type of anything, type of ears and all that. And then here is where you really customize like the position. As someone who's been playing GTA RP and creating characters every week, this is pretty cool. So hair, base hair doesn't seem to change much. I guess this model has a lot of things on top of it that we might have to, can I turn off? How do I turn off completely? I wondered if I could like remove certain things. Oh yeah, let me quickly show you the animation, get you excited. Look at that. So you can just customize everything and then you'll get access to all those animations pretty quick. Oh, this is the same animation with different if you scroll, you can zoom out. It's a full bot? No way, it's a full body. Oh my, it's a full body. This is so cool. Middle mouse button to grab and move, apparently. I'm gonna scroll away just a little bit and go back here. That is so cool. So this is how you remove stuff with the dash. For example, hairbang 5 here. Instead of having that, if I want to remove it completely, I would just put it on the dash, right? So that's like the equivalent of 0, of null. That's how you remove things. I don't know how I didn't figure that out. Oh, we can lower the eyelash. That's cool. It's really cool that, okay, you don't have like a ton of options, which is something that I was saying earlier, but you can modify the options that you already have with those sliders. So that allows you to create stuff that is pretty unique. We also realized that, yeah, you can scroll down to move your character. It's a full body. We got the tiny legs here. We have the hands, which is really, really nice. And that is full body animation also. The legs even move here. Do a little boogie. And I'm guessing this is probably gonna have to do with the cropping when you're exporting, which is super duper nice. So donation alerts, let me go bonk, okay. Copium, it is cool. Crowbar. And if I start scrolling, you see that there's a lot of animation. There's really sparkling. Aw. Oh, this is so cute. Typing annoyed, typing normal, typing angry, a work nap, you know, all your basic emotes needs and more, really, honestly. I never even thought of having all of that. This is so cool though. And it's animated in kind of like in that 3D, you know, actual VTuber manner, which is something that I'm not familiar with. So this actually helps me out a lot. Okay, I'm not done customizing. That's me. That's literally me, chat. I'm not done customizing it though. So we're gonna continue. Oh, if you're muted, you can have an emote that says that nervous, that Key and Peele meme right there. All right, I'm pretty satisfied. I think this kind of looks like me. It has the two little strands that I immediately start putting in my eyes. We just need to color them, and that is that tab. I don't know what this tab is. What is this tab? Oh, this is for exporting. Okay, so now we just need to remember exactly like the parts that we have. You can color like individual brows. Does Control Z or Control Z work here? It doesn't. Okay, that's not a good thing. But we do have a color picker here. Do click once and then, oh yes, that's cool. Boop. So now I have the same color here. Oh, that's dope. I like that. Color picker. Yes, please add Control Z. I think that would be cool. I haven't seen the settings yet, and I want a color pick for the second one. Cool. Are my eyes actually blue? No, they're not. So let's go to red, and let's find one where the character has their mouth open. Dead, perhaps. Oh, there you go. Yep, I like that. For the hair, I think I'm gonna set the hair black so it kind of matches me, and then I'll put the outline to be white, so it separates from the skin color. I'm just clicking on random stuff and colorizing them, hoping that it's the right thing, but I have no idea like what I have active and what I don't have active, and I'm not completely sure how to figure it out. I could just go back. I could just go back and see. So what do I have? I have base hair, of course. I have hair branch, hair framing. So if I go back here, is this what I'm looking for? Yes. Okay. We need that Control Z. That's gonna be the update I'm waiting for. Okay, not an awful lot of options when it comes to adjusting stuff, but to be fair, that prevents us from breaking anything, which is cool. Hell yeah, that's gonna be my character. So the retexture thing, let me see if I can kind of figure it out. So if I pick skin and I go here and I click use custom textures, open custom texture folder. Oh, that is so interesting. So those are basically templates, I guess. You can just modify and put whatever color or whatever texture you want on top of. I was joking with chat earlier saying that, oh, I want to have like black hairstyles or just my hairstyles. I might. There's a lot. So those were the cards that we saw in the options. If you modify those, it will automatically add them to the software. That's so cool. Love that. Okay, we're not gonna do anything advanced for now. Okay, so we have the option under the export tab. We have the option between static image and animation. I'm guessing the way you zoom in has to do with how it's going to be exported. And let's finally click export. Well, first of all, let's save the character. Character sampler 3 already exists. Are you sure you want to overwrite sampler character? This cannot be undone. Oh, I almost clicked confirmed actually. Let me cancel that. Now I'll enter a character name, call it Gale1, click confirm. Now I can select it. It appears in the list, which is nice. Now we can save character, and now we can export emote. All right, it seems like it did indeed export the emote. Now, where did it export it? No idea, but this is a perfect time to check the settings. It goes under Documents, Emote Lab, Export, and you can change your save location here. So on the right here, you have the static image size if you want to export in multiple size and all that. Animation export settings are here, 112, GIF, 16 FPS. And then you have some other settings like your viewport settings. It's cool, model scale, offset, and all that. You can check your character folder. Oh, so this is where it saves the characters. So I can, does that mean that I can give my character to someone else and send it to someone else? That's really cool. So there's a whole website and you can browse assets on the website. And here you have kind of like a guide. Oh, that's really cool that they actually made documentation on everything. I wish I read this before I started using it. It would actually help me out a lot. So every single asset that comes with it is documented here. So if you're looking for something and you want to do, you know, Control F, and I'm looking for fin. There we go. What else do we have here? There is documentation. There's a whole Discord. There's your log folder and all of that good stuff. That's pretty much it. All right, let's go ahead and find our animation in that save location. There it is. We see export. And would you look at that? There it is. Oh, that is so cool. I can immediately come here and go under animated emotes. I can upload a GIF, find that one, click, drag, drop it in there, and just like that, It is that simple. We'll call it love, LUV. And emote attribution, I don't know if they ask you to do this, but I think it's always best practice if you use a tool or something like that to have the name of the creator, which is 0x4682 And I don't know if they have a Twitch channel, but we'll look for it. Yes, there we go. We'll put it in there and upload. There's no way it's already available in my chat, is it? It's right there. So it's real. It's that simple. Making emotes is like the easiest thing ever now. Chat, you have it. You have that emote. I absolutely love it. Okay, well, so that's it for Emote Lab. It took me just a couple minutes to figure out how it works. It is very intuitive. We know that I love intuitive stuff here, and anyone can just get it and start making their own stuff. Like, I don't want you to think that this is like super advanced, that there's 100 options for everything. It's not like that. I think it's more to encourage. If you really, really want things that are super, super customized, you have to make them yourself. It allows you to, but you have a really good base for just getting emotes out really, really fast. First time using it, I already have a brand new emote, animated emote, nevertheless, on my Twitch channel, which is cool. Keeping in mind that if you're not super comfortable with like animation or whatever, you can also export just an image and then maybe edit that image. Make sure you read the documentation about like rights and attribution and all of that. I will put a link in the description if you want to get it yourself. It is on Steam and it's $10 approximately.